Hey y'all, you have found a video on a YouTube channel dedicated to all things WordPress, and specifically this video is going to be a section of a webinar, a longer webinar that I did with Rebecca Gill. In the WordPress industry, she's really looked at as one of the leaders in search engine optimization. And in this short clip specifically, we're looking at how to implement keywords into your content strategy. Let's jump into the video right now and catch this section.
So what you do is you literally say, okay, if I have 20 keyword phrases that are really important to me, where would these live on my website? Do I have an existing content for this? Yes. So let's match them up. Let's create a roadmap for that and say these 3 keywords belong to this URL. These 3 keywords belong to this URL. Well, now I've got 4 keywords and I've got no content for it whatsoever. But that helps create a plan, and you use this keyword association to URL to match up what you currently have, find your gaps, and then create basically an editorial plan of what you're going to continue to work on and create. Now notice we haven't created any content yet whatsoever, right? We've been doing research and planning. We've been setting the stage and building up our foundation for success. Once we have all of that, now we can go over to this execution phase where we write quality content. And we make sure our quality content has a solid outline, and that outline aligns with the keyword phrases we've selected for this piece of content. We write our content for the human, right? You have to create it first for the human. Then we use tools like the Yoast SEO plugin to help us optimize it for search engines.
Pretty amazing, right? If you're ready now to go forward with how to actually do on-site SEO, it's time to catch the full 1-hour webinar. I have that video totally for free right here on YouTube for you. I'm going to put the link right here. And if this helps y'all, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.